Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho Books, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close your Zoho Books account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Zoho Books account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes new software comes out that's a little bit easier to use. So maybe you want to go ahead and close out Zoho Books. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Books dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho Books account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently close your Zoho Books account, you want to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here in blue called My Account. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up your profile here on Zoho. Now, in order to permanently close your Zoho Books account, click on this button here on the left called Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the settings and preferences. However, in order to permanently close your account, just scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see this section here called Close Account. So by following this process, you're going to permanently delete all the data associated with your account and the apps that you use with Zoho. Also let you know that closing your Zoho account will permanently delete all your account information, and you're actually not going to be able to use any of the Zoho product. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on Close Account. Okay, next, Zoho lets you know in order to close your account, you'll have to go through these steps and delete the used apps, then paid subscription, any app-specific organizations, and then at that point, you'll be able to permanently close the account. So in order to continue this process, just click on Proceed and follow those steps. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close your Zoho Books account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.